Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Poetic Spartan for the iPhone Air. I really like this case. I've been using it for a few days now, actually probably closer to a week now, and I really like it. Very nice fit, not too bulky, doesn't add a lot of bulk to the iPhone Air, which of course, I mean, if you're somebody that purchased an iPhone Air, you're probably not going to want to, be adding bulk to such a thin phone, because that's kind of the, the whole purpose of the iPhone Air is its form factor. So you don't want to get that and then slap a big thick case on it and make it just as thick as an iPhone Pro or whatever the case may be. So here we go. We do have a MagSafe ring on the back. It also doubles as a kickstand, so you can fold that down and you can use that as a kickstand. You do have the little metal piece down here, so you have your ring and then your attachment point down there on the bottom. One thing I hate about the new OtterBox cases for the iPhone 17s and the Air is the fact that they only give you the round MagSafe part. So for the iPhone Air, that means that the iPhone Air MagSafe battery will not stay on the back of it, which kind of sucks. I'm probably going to make a video on that, showing you guys kind of the flaws and how OtterBox messed up the MagSafe on those, because it's really not a strong attachment. It doesn't have the alignment part down there on the bottom. So if you're using something that tends to rotate, it allows it to do that easier. But this case, however, does not, because you do have that piece down there. So you have those multiple points of contact. We have a really nice camera control right here. It is not a cutout. It is actually a sensor built into the case, so it passes through. And I'll pop open the camera here, and we'll just switch the cameras here so you guys can see. You can zoom. No issues there. It responds very well to touch. We have your action button over here, your volume buttons, and of course your power button over here. Nothing on the top. We've got a nice little camera protection plateau cutout kind of deal. Protects the whole thing. It is raised a little bit, or recessed a little bit rather, in there for the camera. So when you put your phone down, it does not rock side to side like it does when the phone is bare. So very nice. Like I said, it feels very good in the hand. It's very grippy. It's got some texture to the sides, so it's very easy to hold on to. The phone's not going to slip out of your hand. We do have some reinforced corners up here, as you can see. So if you drop it on a corner, you are protected there as well. So overall, very nice case, very well designed, and it's under $30. So I'll leave a link down below to where you can pick one of these up on Amazon. Like I said, this is the Poetic Spartan. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.